Sitting at a desk for hours can really sneak up on you. One minute you're fine, the next your back's in knots and your neck feels like it's been through a workout. A good chair doesn't just help, it changes everything. It's the quiet hero of a comfortable workday. Hbada's been all about dialing in that perfect balance between style and comfort, and honestly, they've done a pretty solid job with this one right here. This is the Hbada E3 Ergonomic Office Chair. This chair's got some pretty clever stuff going on, starting with the elastic lumbar support. It actually flexes and adapts to your back, giving you support where you need it most, and helping you keep a solid posture without even thinking about it. Hbada's designed this chair with one big goal in mind. Tackling the classic aches and pains that come from sitting too long. You know the ones: stiff necks, sore shoulders, and that nagging lower back strain. This chair's built to support all three, giving your neck, waist, and shoulders the kind of comfort that actually makes a difference, especially if you're parked at a desk for hours on end. So the burning question is this product truly worth that asking price? Well, let's first start by unboxing it. So unboxing this chair, and as you'd expect, there's a bit of assembly involved before you can kick back and enjoy it. I'm really not going to drag this out with a step-by-step guide, but honestly, it's all pretty straightforward. All in all, it took me around 20 to 30 minutes from start to finish, and that includes taking my time and making sure everything was tightened up and aligned properly. But like I said, the setup process is pretty simple. Alright, let's talk about the design and feel of this chair, because honestly, for the relatively high asking price, thankfully it brings a lot to the table. Starting with the headrest, it's got the essentials and then some. You can adjust the height, tweak the angle thanks to a dual joint setup, and even slide it forwards or backwards to really lock in that sweet spot. It's also surprisingly large and curved just right, so there are no annoying pressure points digging into your neck. Whether you're sitting upright or leaning back, it just works. The backrest stands out too. It's independently height adjustable, which sounds minor, but makes a big difference for anyone who wants personalized support. The way it pairs with the lumbar system is especially solid. There's no weird gap or drop between the two. The lumbar support itself, well, that's next level compared to the first gen models, that's for sure. It adjusts vertically and horizontally and adapts with your posture in real time. Plus, it's split into 3 zones with the subtle side wings that kind of hug your lower back. If you've got a broader frame, you'll appreciate that enveloping feel. It's supportive without being too restrictive. And I've got to say, the lumbar setup in particular is just great. I found it gives excellent support to the sacral area, and the adjustability means you're not stuck with a one-size-fits-all position. The upper section of the lumbar gently transitions into the backrest, so you don't feel any hard separation, just smooth, continuous support. Now the armrests. These things are actually pretty good, in the best way possible. They're wide, sturdy, and crazily adjustable. You've got full 6D control, and by that I mean you can go up, down, forward, back, side to side, rotation, and even the front end flips up. They adjust with you as you move, which is a huge plus if you're someone who shifts positions a lot while either working or gaming. This seat cushion is pretty neutral in shape, flat enough to not feel cramped, but not so deep that you're sliding around. If you've got long legs, you might wish for a bit more depth, but for most people, it strikes a good balance. And to be honest, that drawer-style footrest, well, that's just good as well. When you're leaning back, it pops out and flips up for a full lounge experience. Speaking of reclining, the dynamic comfort here is actually where the chair really shines. The seat base shifts in harmony with the backrest, maintaining that neutral support curve. The armrests move with the recline too, which means your elbows stay supported whether you're upright or fully kicked back. No floating arms, no weird lumbar gaps, just smooth, balanced motion all the way through. I can't deny it's a surprisingly premium experience that doesn't feel like it should be in this price range. I have used some chairs shy of £1,000 and honestly, they're on par with this one. Whether you're grinding through a full day of work, editing videos or catching a break mid-afternoon, the chair actually adapts with you and stays comfortable throughout. Honestly, the material here really stands out. It has a premium feel that definitely adds to the overall experience. When you adjust the footrest, it moves smoothly, though you'll notice just a bit of friction when retracting it. It's nothing that takes away from the comfort, but it is something to keep in mind for users who want something a bit more smoother. But that is just me simply nitpicking. Overall, I can't deny it's a nice addition, especially for long breaks. The Hbada's E3's T-shaped support system is a game changer when it comes to back support. Imagine having a built-in back brace that gently keeps your spine aligned throughout the day, and that's exactly what this chair provides. It's not some flashy gimmick either. You can genuinely feel the difference when you're sitting for hours at a time. The T-shaped structure helps to keep you in a naturally comfortable position, preventing that slouching or forward-leaning posture that leads to discomfort. At the end of the day, after long hours of sitting, I definitely noticed that my back feels more supported and less fatigued. This support system is designed to relieve pressure from your lower back, and it does exactly that. It's just one of those features you don't realize how much you need until you experience it. Whether you're working, gaming, or just relaxing in this chair, the T-shaped support helps maintain good posture, so you finish your day feeling much less stiff or sore compared to other chairs without this level of structured support. You can tell it's been designed with actual user comfort in mind, and those adjustable wings on the side, well, they just make up for that as well. They let you really dial in the fit, so it really contours to your lower back. The mesh fabric on the E3 is honestly one of the great parts you don't fully appreciate until you've spent an entire day in the chair. It's super breathable, like no more peeling yourself off a sweaty seat in the summer. Even during long work sessions or warm weather, it stays cool and comfortable, and for me, that is a huge win. What's also nice is that it doesn't feel flimsy or delicate. The material's got some toughness to it, it stretches just enough to support you comfortably but bounces right back without sagging or stretching out. After daily use, there's no fading or fraying, which is pretty impressive. I've been using it for about a month now, and to be honest, I've seen no signs of this. And I think it's clear that this has been built to last. It holds up well without looking too worn out even after excessive use. So is the Hbada E3 right for you? Well, I think if you're on the hunt for an ergonomic upgrade that actually tackles the aches and pains from long hours at your desk, the E3 is definitely worth considering. It's not just a chair with fancy features. It's clearly been designed with real user comfort in mind. From the adaptive lumbar support to the breathable mesh and fully adjustable, well, everything, it checks a lot of boxes. So if you are someone who values comfort, adjustability, and overall build quality, and you're ready to invest in something that supports your body as much as your workflow, the Hbada E3 could just be the chair you've been waiting for. As always, be sure to check this product out in the link in the description. Let me know what you think. Till next time.